Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Forum Shops at Caesars Palace opened in 1992 and quickly became one of the most influential retail developments in the city. Rather than functioning as a simple mall, the design introduced a narrative approach to shopping, blending Roman-inspired architecture with luxury stores. It redefined what a shopping destination could be in a resort environment and played a major role in shifting Las Vegas from a gambling-centric city into a broader leisure and retail hub. The architecture inside the Forum Shops uses classical Roman elements, integrated with dramatic design features. Marble-style flooring, statues, busts, fountains, and domed ceilings create an atmosphere modeled loosely on ancient public forums. One of its distinctive visual elements is the sky, a domed painting to simulate daytime light. The ceiling slowly transitions through various tones, creating a continuous cycle of color, movement, and adds depth to the environment. The layout of the Forum Shops purposely avoids long straight corridors. Instead, it uses curved walkways, plazas, and tiered sections to create a sense of exploration. High-end retailers and major fashion brands anchor the complex, joined by restaurants positioned throughout the upper and lower levels. The combination of retail and dining was part of what made the development stand out when it opened, featuring a full range of experiences in one interconnected space. Fountains and decorative landscaping continue the Roman theme. The central fountain displays sculptural figures arranged in dramatic poses, designed to evoke the style of classical monuments. Additional water elements appear along the walkways, reinforcing the illusion of an ancient city adapted into a contemporary shopping district. Through multiple expansions, the Forum Shops have grown significantly in size, adding new retail areas and connecting corridors while maintaining its stylistic identity. These additions preserve the classical aesthetic, but updated materials and finishes to meet modern resort standards. The result is a seamless blend of old and new, where Roman inspiration remains present even as shopping centers evolve. Over the years, the Forum Shops became one of the highest performing retail locations in the United States, measured by sales per square foot. Its success influenced other Las Vegas developments, encouraging resorts to invest heavily in retail as a core attraction. Today, the Forum Shops stand as a benchmark for immersive shopping design and remain one of the most recognizable commercial destinations connected to any resort on the Strip.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.